Hi, welcome to Pescatarian Lifestyle Kitchen. Today we'll be preparing chickpeas. So we are actually preparing the chickpeas before we actually turn it into a meal. So later on we'll be doing sweet and sour chickpea. So just to prepare the chickpea before we actually go into the meal part of it, the process, I'm just going to show you the process. So we have washed and soaked the chickpeas. Right, we have washed, soaked the chickpeas for about 30 minutes. You can go up to 8 hours. So there you have it, or already soaked peas. And now we're going to add it to some water. And I think for every half pound of chickpeas, you add about 3 to 4 cups of water. So here we have our water in our pot here. So we're going to add our chickpeas. And because we want the chickpeas to actually have some flavor before, we actually turn it into a meal or do the sweet and sour chickpea aspect or part of the meal, we want to get some flavor going into the chickpeas before. So while we boil it, we want to boil in some flavors as well. So I'm going to add here salt. I have salt here, pimento seeds, this is actually cinnamon leaf, and I have bay leaf, and I have some cayenne pepper right here. Right, so we're going to add these to the chickpeas. Also, we're going to add some onions and some root ginger and garlic. And we're going to add some pineapple skins, right? So we have peeled our pineapple and we have the skin left over. We don't dispose of the skin because we can use it to make juice. We can use it to make our sauce. Just about anything. So we have washed the skin, and now we're going to add it to the chickpeas, and we're going to stir this a bit, and then we're going to get our stove lit, right? Put some heat under it, and we're going to let this actually boil, for about 30 minutes or so, because we already soaked our chickpeas, so the cooking time will not be so long. It will not take so long. So just about 30 minutes or so, but you can always test it along the way to see if it's cooked. Now let's look at our finished product. It's ready. We have turned off the stove. See, all ready. And we are going to let this sit for about a minute or so, and then we are going to be straining it off. Okay, so now we can strain off the water a bit, right? So there you have it, our chickpeas all boiled in flavored water, strained, and we have it here to set aside to cool for a bit. And we're getting rid of all the pineapple peel out of it. Yes, we're taking the pineapple peel from it. We can let the ginger and other things stay if we so desire, or you may take them out, but we just want to take out the pineapple peel and let this cool for a while. After which we will, of course, be doing some sweet and sour chickpeas. But just in case you're just preparing your chickpeas and you want to prepare a meal like later on in the week or so, you just want to let this cool, and then you put it into a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer, right? And then you can have it at a later date. Or if you're just doing a large portion and you want to do it for different meals, because you have curry chickpeas, sweet and sour chickpeas, brown stew chickpeas, however you want to do it, you want to apportion this into separate Ziploc bags, and then you put it into the freezer. And of course, when you're ready to prepare a meal, you just take out one of your bags of chickpeas and you leave it at the bottom of the fridge to defrost for a bit, and then you go ahead and prepare a meal. Or if you want to just pour it into the pot frozen, that's fine as well. But there you have it. This is all flavorful, so we don't have to let it cook for long, you know, to get flavors going into it, because it is already flavored. So I hope you like it, and I hope you'll try it. And later on we'll have a video showing you how to prepare the actual sweet and sour chickpeas. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and comment if you so desire, and share as well. Thank you so much for tuning in to Pescatarian Lifestyle Kitchen. See you.